Hi everybody, this is Ashish Arora sharing you the entrepreneur my journey. This is my third video. First want to thank everybody to watching my first two videos, which I got a good response with my surprise. Some comments, some feedback, some critic, and I am trying to take care of those critics from these videos. Today, I want to share, being the end of the month, it's always been the challenging time of the month for any entrepreneur or any business person. Uh, every end of the month for an entrepreneur or small business, we face the challenge of managing our cash flow. End of the month is most crucial because most of your expenses, your bills, and most importantly, the salaries of your team is which comes at the end of the month. So I want to touch on that topic because this is the end of the month and I'm facing it as of today. We always hope that the business is running as normal every week, has the same average or a better average in the end of the month, and but it's never an ideal situation. And there are some months where it has the usual down curve because of market situations or the buying pattern of the market, and especially this period with the COVID-19, which has put all the forecasts which we have made out of the books. Meaning it's something which we did not expect, and we are facing it, and we have to face it on daily basis. So what we can do is do what is possible. Okay, do not push yourself to try to do too many things, try to achieve too much at this stage. Do what is possible. Be open, very important. Be open to all those you can. Meaning to your vendors, to whom you owe the money, and especially your team. One important part which I have implemented in my team, my office, is I have always been open with my team with all the figures, margins, transactions. So they are very well aware of what is going on. They feel a part of it, which is very important because when we are at the success stage, they are with you celebrating. But when it is at the crunch stage, they are ready with the hardships also. And very surprisingly, they are the ones who come with the solutions. And that is the best part of it. So you will never feel alone in that rocking boat, both during the success and during the hardship. This is very important. So be open to your team. Be open to your vendors, to whoever you owe or you need to pay. It's the dialogue which matters. Today I know many people just puts a WhatsApp image, a WhatsApp message, or just a message. But best is to have a face-to-face conversation, or at least a video call. It's an eye-to-eye talk is always very important in this scenario. I also have done one more thing. I have kept a backup account, which I keep it separate from my normal running account, and I put in maybe $10, $20, $100, whatever I can, whenever I can. It's like a backup situation which I don't touch the account, but I use, but it comes to use or I use it during this time when there is a critical phase going on. It's not that there is $1 million lying over there. It might be just $1,000 or $2,000 there, or maybe even $3,000. But it really helps you. Even that small amount will always help you. Give it time, and when life is throwing lemons at you, just go make a lemonade. That's what I say. When life is throwing lemons at you, go make a lemonade and drink it. So however crunched or closed you feel, there will always be a small window or a door or light or a hope always there. Wait for it, take it. Be patient. It will come. Don't give up. Just keep looking forward and take one step at a time. Don't forget to smile. It's always important. I'm not smiling here. So yes, you need to keep smiling. Spend time with your family, your friends, or whomever, or whatever you feel like, whatever you like to do, which I also explained in my first video. It's very important. keep yourself mentally agile, positive, and it'll help you keep your spirit high and keep you moving forward. So remember, if life is throwing lemons at you, go make a lemonade and drink the lemonade. I hope this video helps everybody. Please don't hesitate to give me your comments, your critique, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.